Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit the text on your Contact Us page in WordPress, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll be able to update your contact page in just a few minutes and make it look professional and polished. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to your WordPress website. Once the homepage is loaded, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. If your website is hosted on WordPress.com, you can use the Continue with Google option for quick access. It's fast, secure, and saves you from typing your password every time. After logging in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, find the menu and click on Pages. This is where all your website's pages are stored, including your Contact Us page. Now, locate the page titled Contact or Contact Us, hover over it, and click Edit. This will open the editor where you can make all the text changes you need. Once you're in the editor, you'll see your current text on the page. Simply click on the text block you want to modify and start typing your updated information. You can adjust things like your email address, business hours, phone number, or any custom message you want your visitors to see. If you're using the block editor, Gutenberg, you can easily add new sections, such as a map, contact form, or even social media links. Many WordPress themes include built-in contact form templates, so check your theme options before creating one from scratch. It can save you a ton of time. To make your page visually appealing, use the formatting tools on the right-hand panel. You can change font styles, colors, and alignment, or even add images that reflect your brand's personality. Keep it clean, readable, and professional. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to make them live. Go to the top right corner and click on Update if it's an existing page, or Publish if it's brand new. And that's it. Your freshly updated Contact Us page is now live on your website. You've just made it easier for visitors to reach you, which is one of the most important parts of running a successful site. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.